And guys, nagluto ako ng beef afritada, pero hindi yan ang lunch namin. Ito yung lunch namin guys, salad. Tsaka egg, boiled eggs. Tsaka yung leftover namin na chicken. Bubudburan ko siya guys ng cheese. Para masarap. Ayan, may cheese. Ayan, masarap yan guys. Yan natin siya ng ito naman yung ilalagay natin. Ito. Hindi ko na siya iinitin guys. At yung eggs. So, ayan guys, yung aming lunch for today. Salad with egg and chicken. Ito naman yung aming pagkain all week. Kasi wala akong time magluto guys. So, ayan, kain na tayo. She's astronaut. She's astronaut.
I feel like
And this is the builder, engineer Louis, and astronaut Olivia there.
Are you sending it to mommy and daddy and granddad?
I sent it to granddad.